Welcome to your journey towards financial empowerment. In today's world, young adults face unique challenges in managing money. Many find themselves unprepared, with financial literacy often feeling elusive. Did you know nearly half of young Americans lack essential knowledge for informed financial decisions? This gap can make investing seem daunting, yet it holds the key to building wealth over time. But fear not, you're not alone. We're here to explore these challenges together, breaking down barriers and shedding light on the path ahead. Imagine the relief of making your money work for you, rather than being overwhelmed by the financial world's complexity. Our goal is simple: to provide you with clear, actionable insights that demystify the investment landscape. From relatable scenarios to eye-opening statistics, we'll guide you every step of the way. As we embark on this educational journey, remember that every expert was once a beginner. It's time to turn financial literacy from a hurdle into a stepping stone, paving the way for informed decisions and a secure future. In the next segment, we'll delve into why investing matters and how starting early can be a game changer for your financial well-being. Let's unlock the potential together and set the foundation for a prosperous future. Imagine starting your financial journey with a powerful advantage. That's what investing early offers. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about harnessing the incredible power of compound interest. Each dollar you invest has the potential to grow over time, earning returns on top of returns. This is what makes investing early such a game changer. By beginning at a young age, you're giving your money more time to grow and multiply. It's like planting a seed that, with care and patience, can grow into a mighty tree of wealth. Young investors have the unique opportunity to capitalize on time, turning small, regular investments into substantial wealth over the years. As we delve deeper into this video, you'll discover how starting early can set the foundation for a secure financial future. So let's explore the incredible benefits of investing and how it can pave the way to financial freedom. Stay tuned as we guide you through the world of investment options and strategies. Welcome back to our journey of understanding how to invest wisely. Now that we've seen why investing matters, let's dive into the different types of investments you can consider. Understanding these options is crucial in building your financial future. First up, stocks. When you buy stocks, you're purchasing a small piece of a company. Stocks can offer high rewards, but they come with greater risks. Prices can fluctuate based on market conditions, so it's important to stay informed. Next, we have bonds. Think of bonds as loans you give to companies or governments, which they pay back with interest over time. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, providing a steadier income, but usually with lower returns. Then there are mutual funds. These are collections of stocks and bonds pooled together, managed by professionals. Mutual funds allow you to diversify your investments, spreading risk across various assets. They offer a balanced approach between risk and reward. Each investment type has its own risk and reward profile, and understanding these differences is key to making informed decisions. Whether you're looking for high growth potential or steady income, there's an investment type that can suit your goals. As we explore these options further, remember that the right mix of investments can help you manage risk while aiming for the growth you desire. Next, we'll delve into how to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial objectives. When it comes to investing, creating a diversified portfolio is key. Diversification is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental strategy that helps in managing risk. Imagine having a variety of investments, like a basket full of different fruits. If one type spoils, the rest still thrive, keeping your basket healthy. Similarly, by spreading investments across various assets, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one investment performs poorly. So how do we build this balanced portfolio? Start by understanding the different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each has unique risks and rewards. Mix them wisely based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it provides a safety net against unexpected market shifts. As we move forward, stay tuned for more strategies to keep your investment journey on track. Next, we'll explore how staying informed about market trends can enhance your decision-making power. In today's fast-paced financial world, staying updated with market trends is more critical than ever. As young investors, being informed about market changes can significantly impact your investment decisions. Keeping up with the latest market news helps you identify potential opportunities and avoid pitfalls, setting the stage for wiser choices. But how do you stay informed? There are numerous tools at your disposal for tracking investments and market shifts. From financial news apps to stock market trackers, these resources empower you to keep a finger on the pulse of the market. By leveraging these tools, you can make decisions that align with your financial goals and adapt to changes swiftly. Remember, knowledge is power, and in investing, it's your best ally. As we move forward, we'll explore how to overcome common barriers to investing, ensuring you're fully equipped to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. So, let's continue this journey towards financial literacy and success. Fear and lack of knowledge are common barriers that often prevent young investors from entering the world of finance. But the good news is, these obstacles can be overcome. First, it's important to educate yourself. Start with the basics of investment, understand different financial products, and gradually build your knowledge. Fear of losing money is natural, but remember, risk is a part of investing. Mitigate this fear by diversifying your portfolio to spread potential risks. Seek advice from financial mentors or use online resources tailored for beginners. Empower yourself with information and start with small steps. Even minor investments can boost your confidence. By transforming fear into informed action, you're not just overcoming barriers, you're taking control of your financial future. Up next, we'll explore practical steps to begin your investment journey, ensuring you're ready to make your first financial move with confidence. Starting your investment journey is easier than you think. First, consider opening an investment account. Many financial institutions offer accounts tailored for beginners, making it a straightforward process. You might feel overwhelmed by the options, but remember, this is your gateway to the world of investing. Once your account is set up, it's time to put your plan into action. Begin with small, regular investments. Consistency is key. Even modest amounts can grow significantly over time. This approach not only helps you get comfortable with investing, but also leverages the power of compound interest. Think of investing as planting a tree. At first, it seems small and insignificant, but with patience and care, it grows into something substantial. By starting small and gradually increasing your investments, you'll build confidence and experience. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, often with humble beginnings. As you embark on this path, keep in mind that investing is not about timing the market perfectly. It's about time in the market. Stick with your plan and make adjustments as you learn more. Now that you know how to start, take the next step towards securing your financial future. Stay tuned for our final segment, where we'll empower you to take control of your financial destiny with confidence and clarity. Your journey to wealth begins today. As we reach the end of our journey, remember this: the power to shape your financial destiny is firmly in your hands. You've gained the knowledge, explored the options, and understood the steps needed to begin investing. Now, it's time to take action. Embrace the confidence that comes with being informed and empowered. Picture your future, a future where your financial choices lead to growth and prosperity. Whether you're starting with small steps or ready to dive deeper, every decision you make is a building block towards your wealth goals. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Instead, let them fuel your determination to succeed. You've been equipped with the essential tools and insights to navigate the world of investments. So why wait? Start today, because your financial future awaits. Dive into the world of investing with assurance and enthusiasm. As you take control of your financial path, remember that every wise choice brings you closer to the wealth and security you deserve. Your journey doesn't end here. It's just beginning. Go forth, invest wisely, and build the prosperous future you've envisioned. The time is now, and the possibilities are endless. Take that first step with confidence and watch as your financial dreams unfold into reality. We hope you liked the video. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Take care.